I told you I was going to get it. The new God of War DualSense controller is here. Let's check it out because this is what the previous one was. This was for Ragnarok, of course. However, we are going back to Kratos Origins for the 20th anniversary of God of War, which is wild. I can't believe it's been 20 years. So let's crack this one open. I'm pretty eager to see what that red stripe is like. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Lishi, your tech pal from Down Under, and I unbox DualSense controllers, PlayStation cover plates, and lots of PlayStation accessories on my channel. It's been a growing tradition over the years, mixed in with all my other tech content, but I like to collect these controllers, even though they're hard to get out of the box. So if you like to see content on these sorts of accessories, do hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you here. But let's get into this. Oh, okay. That's a brighter red than what I thought it would be. Okay. First impression, obviously it's a very simple controller. You've got this matte white finish with this red stripe on the right hand side, replicating Kratos's markings. And then in the little buttons, we do have red. So red on the shapes, red in the D-pad, the same colored thumbsticks. I feel like the thumbsticks are a little bit lighter, but that could just be my eyes. And then on the back, we have this simple God of War 20th anniversary logo. So obviously there's not a lot going on here, and I've seen your comments. Some of you were saying not to pre-order it when I unboxed this controller, the Ghost of Yotai controller. However, as a collector, of course I'm going to, but I also wanted to compare the two. Because I've got to be real, the God of War Ragnarok controller was not really a favorite of mine. I don't know, I understand it, but I don't appreciate it, which is such a shame. So I think I do prefer the 20th anniversary controller, but it is simple. What I would like to see from PlayStation are some bold colors, or we go back to transparent tech and do another crystal collection. I think that's what it was called. The clear DualShock 4s is what I'm referring to. Something like that would be really cool. I am loving the themed controllers, but I can understand why people don't like this one because it is simple. But it's 20 years of Kratos. It's 20 years of God of War. At least I did something. Alright, let me know what you think of this controller. This is such a quick and easy unboxing because it is so simple. But if you are a fan of it or you're not a fan of it, let me know down below after you hit the subscribe button because I look forward to talking more tech with you in the next video.